Swaran Singh, a professor at Javaharlal Nehru University in New Delhi, has said that the Shanghai Cooperation Organization is a success story in regional cooperation. In a recent interview with Xinhua, Singh emphasized the orderly expansion process of the SCO membership, saying it will promote the international influence of the SCO.
SCO is often cited as an example of a success story of a regional organization. In 2017, India and Pakistan were added members. And Iran, of course, now in this summit meeting as a 9th member, in that sense has created a new ambience, new confidence that Shanghai Cooperation Organization, which is a success story, is going to also expand and take on other members, ensuring regional peace, adding to regional prosperity, working on building mutual trust and confidence. I think messages from almost all leaders are very positive and vibrant.